This 2025 Grand Design Momentum G-Class 320G is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 36 feet 3 inches in length and features Sleep 7, smoke detector, TV, refrigerator, external shower, stovetop burner, carbon monoxide detector, LP detector, water heater, auxiliary battery, oven, and 110 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Grand Design Momentum G-Class 320G is 13,756 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.